There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby sing on back.
All right, folks. Now I know the sound's working. I'm gonna attempt to drill some holes in here. And how am I drilling holes? I'm doing it the old-fashioned way. I drew a small little line in there. I'm gonna probably drill 3 holes in each one. I can't weld it tonight, so I'm gonna patch together all this tomorrow. I drilled a... This damn glove is gonna slice my finger open. Yeah, glove. No glove, no love, huh? Did you ever hear that saying? No glove, no love? As I walk away from the camera again. Good thing I got a nice dirty pair of Lincoln gloves. All right, now let's see. Don't get jealous, Arco. This is my hole drilling hammerhead. Just kidding. Oh, wait a minute before I do that. The hell's wrong with me? No self-serving individual will drill a hole without putting a frickin' starting thing in here. Let's see now. There's one. Put a hole here. And a hole right here, maybe. I'll punch all 3 of them first. I don't think... See. I drew a line, but if you look at it from here, it's like, maybe I didn't put it in the right spot. I'm not sure how I'm going to keep it. Like, I don't know how I'm going to keep it on there while I weld it. That's my next problem. I'm not going to make a, a video of me welding it, because what the hell's the point? Welding's welding. Unless people want to see sparks, well, you know, not really very interesting. I like doing some welding videos, but usually when it's a bigger thing. I kind of drill the hole so I can get some play in here. I got the drill bit slightly bigger than the hole because, you know, why the hell not? One there. One there. Everything's all punched in there. I'm going to drill a hole. Drill a hole, drill a hole, drill a hole. Yeah! Way to go! A dead drill. Awesome. Let me pause this. Jesus. Well, folks, we're in luck. The DeWalt, I found a battery that has juice. And yeah. I guess I forgot to tighten up the drill bit. That would help, huh? A little tighter in the drill bit there. It's funny. There we go, one. I don't know if I like where that thing is. I'm going to punch the hole just a little bit over. I'll put it just a wee bit over. The molding will cover it. Yep. Wait, Jesus, I really screwed this one up. Don't worry. If it don't come out perfect, it'll be perfectly Freddy Kruger. Anyway, I'm not going to drill all 4 of them on camera because what the hell's the point, right? 4 times the fun. What I will do is I'll show you what I'm going to do. See, the holes are slightly bigger, and I got the Kruger thing here. And if you can see, I'm going to put it on there like that, just so I can get penetration in it. Jam the welding thing in there, just tack it right in there. I don't know if you can see this, but let me try to get this. See, right on there like that. I haven't the slightest idea how I'm going to hold it on there while I weld it. I might have to just hold on here with my hand and just tack weld it. Or I need a 3rd hand to make one of those. There we go. But yeah, 3 holes, little spot welds in there, and just to get it enough to go on there. I'll finish that. I also have to fix, while I'm welding tomorrow, I gotta fix, where is it? That one's still good. This one popped when I was fixing it. And I think this one kind of popped as I was banging on it. This little piece here popped out. So I'm gonna put it back down and give it a little spot weld. Probably grind it off. So anyway, that's this. I'm probably gonna incorporate the welding video into this. So if you stay tuned, I'll probably slop them together. If not, thanks for watching. And whoever's watching this video, awesome. Thanks for joining my channel and thanks for watching. Have a good one. Hello YouTube, welcome to my Kruger glove build. Look what I did. I skipped the spot welding. Had a few problems welding it, but thou shall overcome. They're exactly like a Kruger glove should be. I tried welding them from the bottom, but in fact I might have to put another weld in there. I forgot that one. I welded this one in from the bottom. I didn't get too much penetration on some of these because I don't know why. It just didn't work well. So I welded the front and the back. This one got decent penetration. I still put a spot weld in the front and the back. This one, and not so much, put a spot weld front and the back. I'll probably do it again. But for now, these look really ugly and awesome. So I might leave it like this. Oh, they're all numbered. I can't read them. It should be like this. See if I can stand this up here. Get it to look kind of like the way it's supposed to. This is how the build is coming out. Where's the other one? Like this. I don't know if these are all numbered right, but that's how the Kruger glove is coming out. I have to put rivets in it, and basically I'm going to make it so I insert a glove. I'm not riveting a glove to it because that was the point. I mean, look, this one fell off, so the hell's the point? So anyway, that's the probably the second to last video in the series, and I'm done. No more Kruger glove, and I'll just show you what it is, and ta-da! Thanks for watching, and whoever's following me, thanks for following it. It was a fun build. I learned a lot, and I'll probably break out the welder on a nice day, and I'm going to clean up some of this crap. I'm not cleaning up anything in here because I'm not even going to clean up the outside. It looks nice and ugly. So yeah, thanks for watching. Enjoy.